Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a ham and Swiss impossible quiche, starting off with a pie dish that I've gone ahead and liberally sprayed with cooking spray, or you could also use a little bit of butter here. I've got 1/4 of a cup of sliced green onions. These have been finely sliced that I'm going to scatter across the bottom. I'll be topping those off with roughly 8 ounces of finely diced ham and 1 cup of shredded Swiss cheese. Alright, this can get set over to the side so we can start making the custard. In here I have 1 cup of milk and 1/2 of a cup of heavy cream, and I'll be adding in 4 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And I'll also be whisking in 1/2 of a cup of self-rising flour. This gets whisked until the flour is fully incorporated and no lumps remain. And that is looking pretty good. So let me remove my whisk. And now it can be poured over top of all of our fillings. I really like these kinds of quiches. They come together very quickly. The flour is what's going to be forming the crust as it bakes, which is the impossible part of it, or why it's called an impossible quiche. Alright, that gets set over to the side, and now it's going to go into a 375-degree oven where it's going to bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the center is just set and the top is a light golden brown. Once the quiche came out of the oven, I went ahead and allowed it to set for about 10 minutes before garnishing it with a little extra green onion. And now all I have left to do is try it out. This is fantastic. It's light and fluffy and really everything you want a quiche to be. And one thing I like about these is they're very easily adjustable. I could see this being really good with the addition of some red pepper or even a poblano pepper. Change up the meat into it or take all the meat out and add more vegetables. It's one of the reasons why I like this kind of quiche. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Volker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.